Auto owners' insurance price increase. Auto owners. Insurance, like other insurers, periodically adjusts policy premiums based on various factors. If you notice an increase in your insurance costs, it's essential to understand the reasons behind it and explore ways to manage your premium. Price hikes can be influenced by factors beyond your control, but there are also steps you can take to mitigate the impact. Reasons for auto owners. Insurance price increases, inflation and rising costs. Insurance companies adjust premiums to keep up with inflation, increasing repair costs, and rising home or vehicle values. Higher labor and material expenses for repairs contribute to price changes. Increased claims in your area. If your area has experienced more frequent claims due to severe weather, natural disasters, or a high accident rate, insurers may raise rates for all policyholders in that region to balance their risk. Personal claim history. Filing multiple claims within a short period can lead to an increase in your premiums. Even small claims can contribute to a higher risk profile, resulting in a rate adjustment. Changes in driving record. For auto insurance, a new speeding ticket, at-fault accident, or other violations can cause your rates to increase. Safe driving habits can help maintain lower premiums. Credit score impact. Some states allow insurers to use credit scores when determining rates. A drop in your credit score may lead to higher premiums, as insurers associate lower credit with a higher likelihood of filing claims. Policy or coverage adjustments. Changes in your coverage limits, deductibles, or additional policy endorsements can affect your premium. Increasing coverage amounts or adding optional protections may raise your overall cost. How to manage an auto owner's insurance price increase. Step 1. Review your policy. Check your policy details to see what changes have been made. Look for adjustments in coverage, limits, or deductibles that may have contributed to the increase. Step 2. Ask about discounts. Ensure you're receiving all eligible discounts, such as multi-policy, good driver, protective device, and paperless billing discounts. Updating your profile with new qualifying factors can help lower costs. Step 3. Consider adjusting coverage. Evaluate whether you can raise your deductibles or remove unnecessary add-ons without sacrificing essential coverage. Higher deductibles generally result in lower premiums. Step 4. Improve your risk profile. Maintaining a clean driving record, improving your credit score, and avoiding small claims can help keep your rates manageable over time. Step 5. Shop around for competitive rates. If your premium increase is significant, consider comparing quotes from other insurers to find a better rate. Auto Owners works through independent agents who may help explore alternative options. Insurance price increases can be frustrating, but understanding the factors behind them and taking proactive steps can help control costs. Reviewing your policy, maximizing discounts, and managing your risk profile are effective ways to keep your premiums as low as possible. To find out if you're paying too much for insurance, click on the link in the description below.